on your head and eat a banana.
I will give it a try.
Kaboom! It only made him dizzy.
Oh,
Hiccup.
hiccup. Grr, I can cure those hiccups. Drink lots of water very, very fast. I will give it a try. Go, 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 go. Hiccup. I cure those hiccups.
Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards.
I will give it a try. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom! Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups.
See, I am the master of curing hiccups. It works every time.
All the animals go back to sleep. Except for Eddie.
Well done, everybody. Stand up and take a bow. Yay!